Macarons in just over 2 minutes. Let's go! Now in a big bowl we're going to add 3 eggs and carefully remove the egg yolks, making sure to not break them. Add in some almond flour and some powdered sugar into a food processor to process until they're nice and fine, just like yourself. Beat up the egg whites in the bowl until they're nice and foamy, then add in some sugar and keep beating them until they're a beautiful meringue with stiff peaks. Don't make any jokes, add in whatever color you like. I went with pink because real men wear pink. Scoop up the meringue into a separate bowl and set aside. Then in a separate bowl, we're going to add in your powdered mixture and pass it through a fine mesh sieve. This is to make sure you get out all of the lumps. As you can see, I had a lot, so don't skip this step. Then you want to fold in the powdered mixture into the meringue in 3 batches. If you want to be wild and do it all in one, they probably taste the same and probably just as good. Just don't blame me if they don't come out looking pretty. Now it's going to look a little bit like wet sand. It's hard to describe, but once it's ready you should be able to make a little 8 just like this onto itself. Then we're going to pipe them out. I don't have any fancy equipment, so I just use a Ziploc bag, made it work. And here's a time lapse of them baking in the oven. How satisfying. And voila, look at them, how pretty. Onto the buttercream mixture. As the name suggests, some butter, some cream, some sugar, whisk them out until it's nice and smooth. Then you want to put a little bit in between each cookie and give it a little squeeze. Don't squeeze too hard. I did that and it does break the cookie. And here we go, beautiful macarons, nice and smooth on the outside, really chewy on the inside, and the buttercream is just vanilla, but you can play with it however you like. Thank you!